Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Cairns Sofa Range. The Cairns Sofa is a reclining sofa and it comes as a version of a power or a manual recliner. It is available in an armchair, a 2.5-seater and a 2-seater. Here we have a modern take on a traditional recliner sofa. The Cairns offers us a stylish and on-trend design without compromising on comfort and practicality. The seats and back cushions feature a sinuous spring suspension which is then fibre-filled, providing us with a comfortable and soft seat. The Cairns is upholstered in this stunning and hard-wearing tweed-like fabric which is a charcoal colour with specks of white and light grey. We have a lovely accent of a groove detail on the back cushions as well as some piping all along the seams of the back and arm cushions, giving the Cairns sofa a lovely touch. So as mentioned, this sofa comes as a manual or a power recliner. The power recliner features 3 buttons and a USB charging point so you can charge up your phone and lounge in comfort at the same time. Gift yourself the gift of comfort with the Cairns Sofa Range by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.